Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vanilla pudding with just a few simple ingredients. It's creamy, it's smooth, and it's perfect for any dessert lover. Alright, let's get started. Here's what you'll need. 2 large egg yolks, 2 1/4 cup of milk, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now I personally love using vanilla bean paste because it doesn't water down the mixture and you get to see those beautiful vanilla seeds in every bite. If you don't have cornstarch, you could use flour as a thickener, but I find that cornstarch gives it a smoother finish. Alright, you guys are ready to get started. So first things first, we gotta crack our eggs. If you don't already have separated egg yolks, begin to crack your eggs and separate the yolk from the whites. And save those whites for a different recipe, trust me. We're gonna use a sauce pot to mix the rest of our ingredients. Start by pouring your milk into your saucepan along with the sugar, the cornstarch, and salt. You're going to continue stirring it until it comes up to temperature and it's visually thick. Now we need to temper our eggs. This step is super important to prevent curdling. Curdling just means cooking the eggs way too quickly and causing them to solidify into small pieces, which is basically scrambled eggs, and we don't want that. So, to prevent this, slowly add our warm milk to the egg yolks, whisking constantly. This will gently heat our eggs so that they won't cook too quickly. Then, pour the tempered egg mixture back into the saucepan and continue mixing. We're going to continue cooking that mixture over medium heat until it thickens or bubbles start to form. Now it's time for our butter and our vanilla. Remove the saucepan from the heat. We're going to pour the liquid into a medium bowl. That is when we're going to whisk in our butter until it's completely dissolved. Adding the butter at the end gives our pudding a super smooth finish and a glossy look. It also helps prevent a skin from forming on the top. And the last step is just to add in the 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix it all together, and we're going to let it sit until it cools down to room temperature. Once it's room temperature, we're going to move it to the fridge and let it cool for at least 1 hour before serving. Once chilled, your vanilla pudding is ready to enjoy. This pudding is so versatile. You can even use it for banana pudding, which is exactly what I'm going to do in the next video, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this easy vanilla pudding recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite dessert. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you soon!